Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. This look is perfect for the summer. I really hope you guys like this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I did apply primer and foundation before I started doing this video, so I'm just going to start with concealer. Today I'm going to be using my creamy concealer by Nars, and I am in the shade Custard. I'm going to be applying this on the areas I usually conceal, and this concealer is very thick and full coverage, so you don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm also going to contour a little bit. I don't do this all the time. I just do it whenever I feel like it or whenever I want to be a little extra. But I normally just bronze my face, and that is pretty much it. So now I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to be using this bronzer by Colourpop. This is from the Kathleen Lights collaboration, and I believe this is from the Zodiac collection. Yeah, because it came in the same box, so it's definitely from there. And for blush, I'm also going to be using this one that's from the Zodiac collection as well. I'll have everything listed down below. So for today's eyeshadow look, I'm going to use the James Charles palette. You guys love it when I use this palette. I also really love it as well, so I'm totally okay with it. But anyways, the first eyeshadow I'm going to be placing on the crease is going to be this orange color, and I'm going to start very lightly, and then I'm just going to start building up this color. The brush I'm using is a Morphe M441 brush. You guys know I cannot live without this brush. This brush is everything. You guys need it. Next, I'm going to be applying this darker orange, and I'm also placing this on the crease. I am using a smaller brush. The other one was a little bigger, but this brush is a T82 by the Makeup Shack, and I love their brushes. Their brushes are really good. So for my eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this purple eyeshadow all over my entire eyelid. And I did apply this color like 3 times, I believe, because I just wanted it to be very, very bright. And it was a very bright eyeshadow look. But like I said, it's perfect for the summer and I love it. I went out with it, got so many compliments, and yeah, I just really hope you guys love it. Right now I'm just going to blend the edges like around it, and then I'm gonna go back and start packing on more purple eyeshadow. For my inner corners, I'm going to be applying this gold eyeshadow from the James Charles palette. On top of that, I'm going to be applying this glitter from Colourpop. This one is called Bring the Heat, and it just completed the look. It just came out so beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to be applying this on the inner corners of my eye, and then after that, this eyeshadow look is all complete. To complete this look, I'm going to use this new setting spray by Urbandecay. It smells amazing and it's just super refreshing. I love it. But make sure you subscribe and also make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Follow me on Instagram. Everything will be listed down below, and I'll see you guys on my next video.